If you're encountering the cloud save error 2026 while trying to install Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to resolve the issue and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A poor connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud save service and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can fix save issues. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including cloud save errors. Check for updates on your gaming platform. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to the game's support team. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to address the cloud save error and enjoy your gameplay without further interruptions.